Hey, Wendy here. Just wanted to share a video from the state regarding motorcycle collisions. I get so tired of seeing these because honestly, common sense would say if it is the law that people wear a seatbelt when they are in vehicles, then shouldn't it be the law to wear helmets when on a motorcycle? I don't know. I think that's a fair assessment. I mean, let's look at the state of North Carolina. In the state of North Carolina, you have to wear a helmet and you have to wear your seatbelt. But South Carolina, you have to wear a seatbelt, but you don't have to wear a helmet. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to stop it right there. We see speeding, we see alcohol impairment, splitting lanes, improper, unsafe lane changing, reckless driving, and all that. Where's the prescription drugs and all that? There's a lot of people on legal prescription drugs. I don't see that on the list. Where's that on the list? That needs to be on the list. We've got all these doctors, these pharmaceutical companies. I believe these doctors and these pharmaceutical companies need to be sued when it comes to records and wrecks and people that are charged with alcohol impairment. Let's really see if it's alcohol or if it's prescription drugs.
You know, the helmet law is anybody under the age of 21 must wear their helmet.
Okay, I'm going to stop it right there. I really don't care what he has to say. Honestly, you know, the law says in the state of South Carolina that if you drive a vehicle, you must wear a seatbelt. It is the law. They will ticket you if you are caught driving without a seatbelt or riding without a seatbelt. However, in the same state, you can ride a motorcycle without a helmet. Now let's look at North Carolina. It is illegal to ride a motorcycle or in a car or vehicle without a helmet and or a seatbelt. That's just good common sense. But hey, we're in South Carolina, so that goes out the window. Have a good day.